Hello children, welcome to the next session of our online class. In continuation with your previous video, let us begin with the word problems of exercise 4E. Here on the board I have written 6th and 7th question. Let us start it. There are 24 bangles in one packet. How many bangles are there in 40 such packets? Children, they have given you the value of bangles in one packet. Let us suppose that this is your one packet and here you have 24 bangles. You have to find out that if I am having such packets of number 40, how many bangles will be there in total with it? So should I add them 40 times? It will be very time consuming, children, as I have told you in my previous video that since to remove our consumption of time, and in order to save our time, we are going to use the repeated addition short form, that is multiplication. So now, how you will write the statement? Read the word problem first, children. There are 24 bangles in one packet. First statement you will get from first statement of your word problem. So you can write down number of bangles. Because we are talking about bangles and it is of number, so number of bangles in how many packets? In one packet is how much? 24. Then I have to calculate for the number of bangles for 40 packets. So what I will be writing in my second statement, I can use second statement as number of bangles in 40 packets. So what I will be doing is 40 times 24. So how you are going to find it out, children? 24 multiplied by 4 times, which you get as 4. 4 times is 60 in one carry, and then here you will get 9. And why I have not written here 0? Because I can write down 0 here. So now children, your answer comes as 960 bangles are there in 40 packets. Let us begin with the next question, children. 15 songs can be recorded in one audio cassette. Audio cassette is what, children? Nowadays we are having CDs. Previously we were having tape recorders. For that we were having audio cassettes. How many songs were there in that? 15. How many songs? How many means that number of songs which can be recorded in 85 such cassettes. One audio cassette's value is given. In one audio cassette you have 15 songs, children. So number of songs in one cassette is 15 songs. I have written the short form of number, but children, you will not write in your notebook. You are going to use this number only. Then, since I have to find number of songs in 85 cassettes will be 15 times 85. Again, the bigger number will be your multiplicand, smaller number will be your multiplier. Now arrange in column and solve. 5 times 5 is 25, 2 goes carry. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 2 is 42. Here I will have a space, so for that I am using a star. You can use a multiplication or a smiley, anything. Now next is your 1. 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 8 is 8. Solve it and you will get your answer as 1275 songs. So your answer comes as 1275 songs can be recorded in 85 such cassettes. So children, this is all in your exercise 4E. With this question we finish this exercise. Hope children you have done this question. You can cross check your answer by looking or watching into this video. Thank you and have a nice day.